Hello everyone, welcome back once more to my channel. My name is EXODIA and today we're going to be opening some packs of Legendary Collection Kaiba. Let's go! So here are the packages. I already opened the boxes, so we don't waste time in that. So let's go ahead. I would like to get some Ash Blossoms or more Card of the Mice, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and open the packages wrap. The packages. So the first package is going to be Maiden with Eyes of Blue. Dark Army Dragon, nice! I didn't have this card yet from all the packages that I have opened. Boss Raider, please. Heart of the Cards, Parrot Dragon, Kaiba Man. Oh my god, no way! Oh yes! Ash Blossom and Joy's Spring! Nice. This is one of the first cards that I wanted. Oh no, I'm so good. Okay, this is good. This is going good, and this is just the first package. Fiendish Chain, and what? Why is upside down? Okay, XYZ Dragon, HC Dragon Cannon, and oh god, and then Return of the Dragon Lords, and Call of the Grave. Oh my god, we got it! No, this is not. This is one. Oh, finally! I'm so happy. Let me put it here and then open the next package. So we want more of this. We want more of those. So we got Maiden with Eyes of Blue. Another package is the same, please. Oh no, my god, really? Dark Armored Dragon. Oh, the Kaiba Man. Most of them are white. Oh, it's not the same. Monarch Stormforth, and then Fiendish Chain, XYZ Cannon Dragon. Ah, come on! Ah, no way! Oh wow! 2 Ash Blossoms in the same box. These packages, I placed the packages in the same how I got them from the package. So it's 3 from this first box, 3 from the second box, and 3 from the third box. Oh my god! Oh, Goddess of Sweet Revenge, and oh, the one I wanted that one too. Oh, this is glorious. This is glorious. Come on, more. We want more. I'm sorry. Oh, trade in. Okay, good. This is a good card. White Stone. The White Stone of Legend. I'm so excited. Castle of Dragon Soul. Soul Exchange, B Tiger Jet, X Head Cannon, nice, Blue Eyes Stream Burst Dragon, Dragonity Legendary, The Melody of Awakening Dragon, and Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. Nice. From here, I like this one because I want to do my deck of those ones. Oh no, trading. And then the next package is gonna be. Let me put it here so we can see them. Ah, don't move faster. Okay. So, come on. We want more Ash Blossoms. We want more Dragonic Tactics. Anti-Raigeki. Boss Raider. Spell Reproduction. B Tiger Catapult. And Eradicator Epidemic Virus. Another is X-Head Dragon. Blue Eyes Stream Burst Dragon. Oh, Delinquent Duo! This is new one. Nice! And the Melody of Awakening Dragon. Good. Delinquent Duo. Perfect. Ah, the packages are moving. Nice. Okay. So Azure Eyes Silver Dragon. Here. Dragon Revival Rhapsody. Exile of Wicked. Tiger Dragon. B Tiger Jet. The Fang of Critias, Crush Carapyrus, Lajin the Mystical Genie, Sage with Eyes of Blue, and Buster Drake. Oh, come on. Nice. Can we get more Ash Blossoms, please? More. We want more. Cards of Consonance. ABC Dragon Buster. Nice. Blue Eyes with Blue Eyes White Dragon, B Tiger Jet, Boss Raider, Protector with Eyes of Blue, Dragonity Legendary, Eyes Twin Boss Dragon, Blue Eyes Twin. Blue Eyes Twin Burst Dragon, nice. And Interdimensional Matter Transporter, of course I know that one. Very iconic, and my first time getting it. Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon, nice. Nice, nice. Come on, we want more. We want more Ash Blossoms. Majestic with Eyes of Blue. Fiend's Sanctuary. Full Force Virus. White Dragon Head. And then Derek Devastation Virus. Dragonite Legendary. Blue Eyes Burst Dragon. And then Protector with Eyes of Blue. Oh, it's not focusing? Yes, focusing. And then Chine Disappearance. And then B-Buster Drake. And that's it. 2 more packages. Can we get another one? Can we get the 3rd Ash Blossom or another hand trap, please? Please. Flute Summoning Dragon or Card of the Mice as well. I would like to have that one. Azure Eyes Silver Dragon. Nice. Soul Exchange. Doom Virus Dragon. Boars Raider. Dragonite Legendary. Protector with Eyes of Blue. Z Metal Tank. Dragon Spirit of White. And Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. Oh, come on. For the last package, can we get another Ash Blossom or another hand trap or Card of the Mice? I would like to get that one again. Maiden with Eyes of Blue. Dark Arm Dragon. Dragonite Phalanx. The Monarch Stormford. Yeah, Stormford. Blue Eyes White Dragon. Lajin. And then Eradicator Epidemic Virus. X-Head Cannon Dragon. X-Head Dragon, yeah. Melody of Awakening Dragon and Ghost Sound. Well, I cannot be disappointed because we got 2 Ash Blossoms and a Terraforming that I was looking for. So I'm so happy. Look at this. Finally we got it. So this is round 3. I hope you like it, and please give me a thumbs up. I will appreciate that. Some comments, leave some of your comments down below, and see you soon. Thank you for watching. See you soon.